Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about Side Hustles 3. So the first website which we will be going to show you is enquires.com. On this website, what you can do is you can have just do the surveys, watch the videos, and you can earn money. Either you can get the cash through PayPal or you can have the gift cards directly. So what we are waiting for? Let's jump in. The first thing what you have to do is you have to just sign in. Go into the earning tab, go to the offers, or you can have daily surveys, or just go to the videos. As soon as you go to the videos, you would be having tons of videos to watch. As soon as you start watching videos of your choice, or if you don't have a choice, even though you can start earning, just watch the videos and start earning. So this is very easy. The second website is tv-2.com. On this website you can earn by watching, and you can earn cryptos. Isn't that great? You can earn cryptos just by watching videos. So you can just go check it out, this site, just log in and start earning in cryptos. It is very easy sign up, and you can just deposit directly. As it says, download the app on your phone, link the device, and then start earning in cryptos. So it is very easy. Number 3 is priceenabler.com. In this site, what you can do is you can earn by having surveys, and you can just directly get your cash into your PayPal account, which is much more easier. Just do your surveys and start making money. If you just jump in, we have just logged in into the account. You can go to the surveys. In those surveys, just take those surveys and start earning. Don't stop earning. You can do this thing while sitting at your couch in the home, in the night time, while watching TV even. Let's not waste time and earn. I would say earn. And those surveys will not take much more time. The fourth one is swagbug.com. On this website, you can do the surveys and you can earn gift cards directly. Either you can play games, or you can watch movies, or you can do surveys. And by doing those things, you will be earning those gift cards, which you can utilize anywhere on the internet. Or you can go shopping. You can have surveys from different companies or different games, installing games. You can have gift card from Amazon. You can have gift card from many different vendors as well, like Walmart. You can have. So guys, what we are waiting for? Let's not waste time. Let's start earning. You can watch ads and you can have those gift card earned. While the Christmas is just beside the corner, you can start earning and you can have those gift cards ready with you. So let's not waste time. Let's do it and let's earn money. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for all these type of videos.